Alright, we back with part two. Got the onions in there now. Gonna let them get wilted. Set these little steaks on top. I had to take one of them out of there. It was looking too good. So I took it out and had a little sample. And it was just like I thought it would be. Chopped steak. It was good. So we're gonna let this slow cook a little. Flip it over, getting that juice, getting them juices right up where they need to be in. We're gonna put the top on it, turn the eye down and let it do its thing. All right. That's it, baby. Deer steak. I got some cream style corn. And we're gonna have some bread with it. It's gonna be all right. Friday night dish. Deer steak with onion. We'll see in a little bit. Ooh, if you can only smell it. Woo. We'll see in a little bit. On Don Outdoor Adventures in the kitchen.